All right, so we have this discrete probability distribution of flipping a coin. How I know it's discrete, there's no in-between heads or tails. They're countable, right? So this would be a discrete probability distribution. We are going to toss the coin twice. So what we want to do is list our outcomes. A lot of times when you list them, you just list them in parentheses with commas, such as in this case, if we're flipping it twice, we could get heads twice. We could get heads and then tails. Now, you have to think about this. This is different, right? Because that's saying you get tails first. And then, of course, you could get tails and tails. So what we're defining here for our random variable is x is the number of heads in these two tosses, okay, in two coin tosses. So it says show what the value of the random variable would assume for each experimental outcome. If an experimental outcome does not occur, enter none. Well, if we're flipping it twice, this can't happen. And so I can just look up here on my list with so it says here, the value, the random variable. Remember, the value of the random variable is the number of heads on these two tosses. Well, that's two heads, 1, 1, and 0. So some of this in the beginning is just getting where you understand the terminology of discrete, outcomes, random variable, and then be able to fill out a table. And then, of course, what's going to come next is finding probabilities.